The VisioEar is marketed as a high-tech at-home ear cleaning device, featuring a built-in HD camera that connects to your phone. You're told you'll see inside your ear canal in real time while removing wax, with soft tips, wireless operation, and safe use for adults and children. What reviewers found. Some users say the camera function does work, and the device provides a visual feed so you actually can see what you're doing. But major concerns show up. Battery life is weak. Connectivity, phone app plus Wi-Fi, has glitches, and it struggles with hard or deep wax buildup. Also, the marketing uses big claims, e.g., 100% clearer hearing, safe for whole family, without solid independent medical backing. Website and trust concerns. The official site uses heavy discount offers, 71% off, only today stock, which can hint at aggressive marketing. On review aggregator sites, the company has a low average score, approximately 2.9 stars on 8 reviews. And one major review site calls it likely more hype than substance. I'd classify the VisioEar device as borderline legit but high risk. The product exists, some users report. It works for light ear cleaning or monitoring, but the claims are overstated, and at the price point you're paying for both tech and assurance, you're getting more than what most users report. If you're expecting dramatic hearing improvements, major wax removal miracles, or a medically certified solution, those expectations will likely disappoint. Only purchase using a secure payment method. Credit card, PayPal, so you have refund options. Be aware of the return policy and check if you aren't satisfied terms. Use it only for light maintenance, not as a substitute for professional ear care if you have serious wax buildup or hearing issues. Don't rely on it for medical outcomes. If you're having symptoms like hearing loss, pain, or infection, see a qualified professional. If you liked this, subscribe to the channel.